So friends, in this video, I'll show you how to execute Python programs on your Android phone. So to execute Python programs, you do not need internet connection. Only to install the application, you'll need internet. Okay. So then search for Pydroid, Pydroid in your Play Store, and then install the application. So you can see Pydroid 3 IDE here. And then it will take a while to install. And then when you open the application, you'll get a screen where you'll write your application, that is the Python program. And then to execute, click on the yellow button that appears on the bottom right corner. And then you'll see the output of your program. To save your program, click on the folder on icon on the top of your screen. Once you click, it will ask you permission to save your file. So give allow, and then choose a path of your choice where you want to save your Python programs. Alternatively, you can create a new folder for all your Python programs. Note that Python will have .py, that is .py extension. Give a proper file name for your file, and that's it. If you like my videos, then give a thumbs up and share this with your friends. So to get updates whenever I post a new Python program, do subscribe. Thanks for watching.